After selling hundreds of thousands of dollars in my own coaching programs and helping other coaches sell their own high-ticket offers, I can tell you with complete certainty that nobody buys coaching, at least not in the way that most coaches think. So today I'm going to show you the biggest mistake that coaches make when selling their programs, what people are actually buying instead, and how to position your coaching so that people want to buy it. Let's start with the biggest mistake that most coaches make. The less stuff that you add to your offer, the more compelling it becomes. First started my coaching career in 2018 as a 22-year-old spiritual life coach. I thought that the more things I add to my coaching program, the juicier the offer would be. So I'd cram it with more calls, more access to me, more courses, more modules, more bonuses, more templates, downloadables, longer programs, etc. And I would inflate the offer as much as I possibly could to show its incredible value. But over the years, what I've realized is that I was only making the offer more confusing than compelling. But when I simplified my offers, I started selling more and selling them at higher price points, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. So the biggest mistake that most coaches make when they're creating their coaching offers and programs is just cramming more stuff into it, hoping that it's going to make it more compelling. But an inflated offer only signals insecurity. So let me show you what our offer really needs to do. So I want you to think about your offer with this little matrix in mind, and think about how clear the offer is, and second, how compelling the offer is. These are the two things that are going to make your offer actually win. Now, if the offer is not clear and it's not compelling in any way, nobody's going to buy it. It doesn't matter how much stuff you cram into it, how inflated you make the offer. If they cannot clearly see the outcome and the path to get to that outcome, and the outcome itself is not compelling at all, nobody's going to pay you thousands of dollars or even hundreds of dollars to get that outcome. Now, if the offer is very clear, meaning they can see the outcome and they see the steps to get there and it all makes sense, but the outcome itself just is not compelling, it's not juicy, it's not very desirable, then this will always result in a no. Doesn't matter how clear the offer is or specific the way to get there is, if it's not compelling, they're not going to buy. And then if the offer is very compelling, the outcome that they're going to get, the transformation that's going to happen in their life, that's compelling, but you're not being clear on how you're going to get them there, what's included, any of that kind of stuff, and they can't see that path, they're going to be confused. And then they're not going to buy. So with whatever offer you create, we need it to both be clear and compelling. And when we can hit that sweet spot, that's when your offer is going to sell like crazy. But what I want you to understand is that that doesn't come from how much stuff you put into the offer. So to start creating an offer that really is compelling, we have to understand what people actually want to buy. But before we get into that, if you are someone who would like more help turning your knowledge, your skills, and your expertise into a profitable online business that makes over $100,000 without it taking over your life, I put together a free 5-day training series that walks you through the entire process. So once you sign up, each day you're going to get a new deep dive training that walks you through how to find your profitable idea, how to create a compelling offer, how to actually go out and get clients, and how to start building up your audience. You're also going to get a workbook with simple action steps to take each day. And by the end of this, you will have a clear plan for how to get paid for what you know. I've had people do this work, and by day 3, they've already landed their first client. So if you want to get access to day 1 right now, click the button down in the description or visit profityourknowledge.com/training. So let's talk about what people actually want to buy. If you want to sell high-ticket coaching programs, you need to understand what people actually buy. Your coaching program isn't about how many calls they get. It's not about how many bonuses are included, how many modules they have access to, how many courses they get. It's not even how long the program is. People don't actually care about that stuff. What they care about are these 3 things. Regardless of what people are buying, whether it's a Gucci bag or a car or a high-ticket coaching program, people pay first to be. They want to be something. They want to have some kind of title. Let's say it is like an Olympian. They want to be an Olympian and have that title, be crowned some kind of Olympian, or actually make it to the Olympics because they want that title. People also pay to do. People will pay money to do something that they do not know how to do. It could be to learn the guitar or to start a business, and they want to actually do something. They want a new skill set. And then the last thing that people pay for is to have. They want to have a life partner. They want to have a dream body. They want to actually hold something in their hand or have a specific type of result. So let's say with the Olympian, they want to be crowned an Olympian. They want to be called an Olympian, be able to hold that title of like, I am an Olympian. And what they want to do is actually go to the Olympics. They want to do the events. And what they want to have is both the title, but also a gold medal or some kind of medal, or maybe they want a podium. They want to have some kind of result at the Olympics. Okay, so it doesn't just have to be one of these things, but this is what people actually pay for. People will buy your high ticket coaching because they want a result. They want an outcome. They want a payoff that is actually going to transform their life in some way. They're not paying your program for just because you're a nice person or because you have a lot of stuff involved in it and it seems like it's a lot of features. People don't buy the features. They buy the benefit or the outcome that the features will help them get to. So now that you understand what people actually buy and where most coaches are going wrong, let's build out your signature coaching program right now. If you want to sell high ticket coaching programs with ease, you have to start here. So we have to first start by thinking about where this person is at. What are they experiencing right now? How is their life mundane, boring? What are they missing in their life? And what's the current struggle that they're dealing with? The better you understand your audience, the easier this is to pinpoint. And if you don't really know, you just have to start talking to people, get into conversations, join some forums, go to a community, anything like that that's going to help you get really clear on where this person's at and what it is that they're dealing with, what's frustrating in their life. You know, maybe it's that they're trying to do dating and they've had a lot of success in their life, but when it comes to dating, they just cannot win. They don't know what to do, which is a very common problem, by the way. Or maybe it's that they've been trying everything they can to lose weight after having a baby and nothing is really working and it's a real struggle for them. But what's keeping them up at night? And then we also need to think about what is the juicy outcome that they want more than anything. You know, maybe it's the successful person who has been crushing it in every area of their life except for dating. And they want to have dates whenever it is that they want, or they want to find that dream partner who's just a perfect match for them so that they can really have a complete life. Or maybe it's the mom who has had their kids and now their body's going through changes and she just can't really get into the shape that she used to be in. Where does she want to be? She probably wants to have an incredible body. She wants to be back into the shape that she was and have the same kind of energy and all this kind of stuff. We need to think about both of these two scenarios. What are they kind of dealing with and where do they want to be? Now, again, your coaching program isn't about how many things that they get in the program. All it is about this one thing. It's about that dream outcome, the desire that they have. That's what people are going to pay you for. It's to get the thing. So what we need to do when we're creating this program is come up with the simplest and most straightforward path to get them from point A to point B. And what I'd encourage you to do is to think about what is this person dealing with? What's a specific, juicy, and painful problem that they would really want to get? If it's the mom wanting to lose weight, it's just helping her lose maybe 20 pounds or a specific amount of weight. If it's a person wanting to start a business, maybe it's helping them land their first client or first 5 clients. That is what your program is. It's a specific result that's both clear and highly compelling. And in order to help them bridge the gap from where they are to where they want to be, we want to break up our program into 3 to 5, no more than 5 simple steps, or you could think of them as phases that we take someone through to get from point A to point B. Okay, so think about your person. What do they need to do first, second, and third to simply and smoothly get from point A to point B? You know, with me and my coaching program, what we do is help coaches go from being stuck under 100K and working way too many hours to hitting their first or next $100,000 year while also working 20 hours a week or less. So it's not just about growing your income, it's also about decreasing your work hours. And if people are making more than 100K, that's fine. If they're working 60 plus hours a week, we need to make some adjustments so they can still grow the income, but also decrease the work hours. And the 3 phases that I take my people through is first, we have to get you clients. If this person's like, I don't know what's happening, I have to try and grow this business and they're building funnels and all this stuff, forget all that. You don't need funnels. We're going to focus on getting them a client. So by the way, they'll make their investment back in the first 60 days or less, but they're also going to learn a lot about everything else it takes to grow a successful business working part-time hours. So once we get them clients, then we really focus on growing the audience so they have more people to present their offer to. And then the third phase is where we start to scale the offer, moving from one-on-one to one-to-many. This is the simplest path that I personally know and have done in my own life to make over $100,000 a year working 20 hours a week or less. Once you've laid out this roadmap, then you can start to think about bonuses, the deliverables that you're adding in here, how many times a week you're meeting with the person. I would say that when you know where they're at, where it is that they want to be, that outcome is compelling enough to them, and you've laid out 3 to 5 really simple steps or phases that you're going to take them through to get to that outcome the fastest, simplest, smoothest way possible. Congratulations, you now have a clear and compelling offer, and it's something that people actually want to buy. Now, you can have an incredibly compelling and juicy offer, and if you know how to get someone that offer faster, then making your program longer isn't going to make it more enticing, because people would actually want to get a desirable result faster. So if it takes you 6 weeks to land them their first client, then make that your offer. And you can still charge $10,000 or more for a 6-week program, assuming that the outcome is juicy enough. Let's say that someone paid you $10,000, but you helped them make $30,000 in just 6 weeks. Would that have been a worthwhile investment? Absolutely. What people actually pay for is the outcome. It is the payoff and the simplest path to get to that outcome. Couple that with your beautiful personality, and you have a recipe for success. Now, I've said it before, the more you understand your target audience, the easier it is to create really clear and compelling offers because you know what it is that they value. The problem is that most people don't even know where to start when it comes to understanding your audience. So watch this video next, and I will show you how to actually do customer research so you can understand your audience and make better content and offers in the future. Hey, if this video is helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone that you think would benefit from it. It really helps in growing the channel, promoting these videos. And if you have any questions or a takeaway that you want to share, let me know in a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, take what you learned here, get out there, make something happen. I'll see you in the next one.